welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick first impressions and unboxing video of a Daniel Wellington watch from their newest collection. They were kind enough to reach out to me and actually sent me this watch, but I'm not being paid at all to make this video. This video isn't sponsored. I'm of course going to give my honest opinions, and I feel like I don't even need to say that because that's just a given when you watch videos that YouTubers are meant to be truthful. So with that being said, I'm just going to open the package. I love to see packages that are double packaged, you know. So this is a delivery note. That is what the box looks like. Hope that autofocuses. Very sleek. It says the name of the brand, Daniel Wellington. And then it comes in this box, which is has like a satiny, reminds me of like the NARS makeup packaging. Daniel Wellington. It's a very nice box. Like, I'm going to keep the box knowing myself and put something in there. So that's what it looks like. It comes with this blue strap that you can change the... I'm so sorry if I'm bad with descriptions, but I chose the maroon or red colored watch and I didn't even realize that you got an extra strap to change it with, so it's like you've got two watches, so that's pretty cool. Just gonna lift up the actual watch from this little compartment thing. Oh, how to actually take this out.
One eternity later.
Is the watch 36mm classic. It's got the rose gold watch head, the white background, and the DW logo, the red strap, and then the rose gold. When looking at the straps, you can see that they have the same style. So on days where you feel like switching it up, and I do like how the strap, I don't know what to describe this material, but I call it like a bag strap kind of material. I like how casual it is. I think this watch head is a perfect size for me. Personally, I don't like something that has a massive head just because it can look a little bit weird. That's what it looks like on my arm. Oh, there's a little piece of film. Let me show you guys that again, about the film. Sorry, I have such fat wrists / arms. My arm looks like a foot. But that's what it looks like there. Haven't turned it on, I think. Okay, so does it come with a brochure? It does. The back of this box, so just underneath or behind that, owner's guide. So it just tells you a bit about, you know, thank you for buying the watch. Thank you for sending it to me. It's got instructions on how to change your strap. Same as pretty self-explanatory. How to adjust your strap. Okay, so time setting. Okay, pull the crown out until you hear a click. That's so the time. However, what time is it now? It is 5:09. Of 5:09. I clearly can't read 24-hour time. It's 3:09. So I've successfully changed the time on the watch to the proper time. I have just noticed, however, that on the clock head it has only the minutes and the hour, so it doesn't show the seconds. So yeah, first impressions, I can actually see myself wearing it and enjoying it and not being annoyed by the size of it. You really can't feel it when it's on, so I'm overall very pleased with it. I think the rose gold and the maroon is just stunning. I love the simplicity of it. It's very easy to use. The fact that they give you another strap to change it is sort of like you're getting two watches for one, kind of. At the price point that it is, 249 Australian dollars. Comes in two different colours. Comes in the rose gold or the silver. I guess the question is, would I pay $250 for this watch? I wouldn't pay $250 for the watch purely because there are so many discount codes available. I actually have one which it's Shaz15. So I think with the discount code being applied, getting 15% off, it's more worth it to buy it. Obviously don't pay full price, use a discount code. There's so many out there. With the discount code, you'll pay $212.50 for the watch. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and first impressions. And again, if you're interested, I'll put the links to where this is available online. Don't forget to use the code Shaz15 if you want to purchase it. I don't make any commission or anything off that. That's just for you to save yourself some money. So again, thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video. See ya.